boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up. Yep. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop, a.k.a. the Baby Knockout Goat. My friends, on The Scoop, we talk about your investments. We talk about your investments all over. But I got some good stuff for you today. Don't go anywhere, my friends. Don't go anywhere. The Scoop is for your education, your information, and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I write these books, my friends. These books. So you can look at them for years to come. African Marijuana Gold Mine, Make Money on... These books have been out there. All these books, my friends, I write them. You know what? And you can have them all today. This is what you do. Let me tell you. You got one of those little library cards? Go to your library website. Type them in. Mickey D, D-E-E. They'll order them all for you. You can go, pick them up. You can say, you don't order the ebook? Give me the audio book. Give me the ebook. Whatever you have, order it for me so I can come in and read it. So when you come in, then you know exactly where to look. Investing in gold today without being cheated. You page 39, and you'll see the stocks. They'll order it for you, and you go to page 39, and you'll like Warren Buffett, Barrick Gold, #1 stock in the book. We had this out months before Warren, though, in Berkshire Hathaway, but of course they do an outstanding job of their research, also just like we do, my friends. Investing and understanding Bitcoin is out there. You guys, you can go to your local library. You can call your local library. You can go online with your local library, or you can go to your local bookstore, or you can go to anywhere, my friends. You can go to any bookstore and you can pick them up if you like. Amazon.com does an outstanding job. In a few days, you'll have your books, my friends. Amazon.com, and they'll have them right there for you. Marijuana Dave and 80 Minute Uranium tomorrow. Tomorrow is today, my friends. Investing at any age. Start early, catch a mega trend. My friends, is out there. Also, as football comes up, we like to, Josh's book, Make Money on Sports. I don't know if you're Bet to Win. I don't know if your area right now. It's not something that, we don't promote betting or anything like that. But the stock market, they say, is somewhat like a betting roulette wheel or something. Whatever you want to say, my friends. It's all good. My friends, what's happening, though, in the market? I want to thank you for joining me. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you on board, my friends. Also, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. I haven't had 100 thumbs ups in a while. You know what? When we get kicked off, well, we didn't get kicked off the air. We were jammed and all that other stuff. People couldn't find us, and our crowd is just starting. Our subscribers are just starting to find us again, but they're not getting any updates or anything. So I don't know what's going on. They're not getting their their notices and being notified, their notifications. So if you have to, make sure you go through that routine, hit your notification bell again, so that bell, so you'll be able to get every video, because some are and some aren't. And I'm getting a feel as to what's going on. When I use the name MJ, you guys know what I'm talking about. When I use the name MJ, which I'm going to have to stop using, I'm going to have to use the name Cannabis. So when I use Cannabis, then things are all right. But when I use MJ, there's some issues, my friends. Also, when I use the name, the big U name, how to invest in, I can't think of another name, though. How to invest in now. How to invest in now. See, that name is banned also. As far as advertising or anything, I can't advertise or anything about that. So I have to really watch myself on that. I believe that's why they were jamming me last time, and to best of my knowledge, I really don't have any idea. Also, my friends, Teesprings, you guys are going to be hooked up. I'm going to leave you some links. You'll be able to get your Baby Knockout t-shirts. Had a problem with those too, the Scoop. As you can see, the boxing gloves. The boxing gloves say gold and silver, right? You have crypto, uranium, so you can't have anything because it was too many children that were getting these t-shirts and stuff. So you can't have anything like marijuana or cannabis when it involves kids and stuff. So that was an issue that we took care of, my friends. As you see on the boxing gloves, you're seeing gold and silver. Those are the knockouts, for you that just joining us, my friends. Baby knockouts are it's a coin I phrased. during the .coms when I was trading. These are stocks that are usually 25 cents, 30 cents or so. They go up to be big giants like AOL, split adjusted from a quarter to over $1,000 split adjusted. So those kind of stocks do fairly well. And as you guys know, it's what have you done for me lately, world. So we bring it up today to the marijuana stocks, where we had stocks like Innovative Industrial Properties, IIPR, which is about $106 now. Well, we caught it the first time it ran up as a teenager. It ran up to $140. As I wrote about it, when it was a teenager, my friends, when it was a teenager, $140 it ran up to us. We talked about stocks that ran up. Stocks I'm talking about like Charlotte's Web. Before it ever was a company, my friends, the African marijuana gold mine, I wrote about it when they were doing this thing in Africa as to what was going on, and then they came over here, and it's called Charlotte's Web. But we talked about them cross-breeding the strains of marijuana. We talked about it. We go way back, my friends. We go way back. So as we get on these trends early, and we get these stocks super, super early, that's what we do. And we do a good job of it, my friends. Don't we? We get you in super early, right? Just like we're doing now with our Bitcoin and our Ethereum. What's Bitcoin right now? What's going on? Bitcoin right now is about 11.6, 11.7 or so. Under that 12,000. May not be there for long. May be there for a minute. I don't know, my friends. Ethereum, my friends, 390. Around at 400. We like for it to be over 400, sit over that 400 for a little while. It didn't really stay there too long, not even a week or so, not even 10 days, I don't believe. We were over 12,000 Bitcoin, not even 10 days or so. But we got there, and we're there, and we know where we have to go, right? What's going on with gold right now? This is a baby knockout. We lead with the left and you with the right. You know, that baby knockout right now, my friends. We're looking at gold is about 1940, 1941, 42, 43. Whatever service you're looking at. Silver is about 26.70 or so, 72, whatever that is, right? An ounce, my friends. Both are kind of little touchy little areas. Silver can go down to 25, and it can go down to 21. We're still in good shape, my friends. That's still a good price. $21, $22 for silver is a good price. We don't want to see it go down there, but it can go down there, my friends. Also, gold can go down to $1,700, $1,600. It ain't no big thing, my friends. Come on, gold, that's just a couple $100. And gold would be, the charts look great, upward trends. There's not really a problem there, my friends. This week coming up, though, we do have Jackson Hole Symposium. So you're going to hear the Fed chairman on Thursday. He's going to be running his trap a little bit. We'll see how that goes. Mr. Powell, he comes with some good things, and he's going to, throw money, and gold's going to be right at the same spot. They're just waiting, and it's going to go up. They're just waiting to hear that there's going to be some more stimulus and all that. And then Thursday, Friday, gold will probably move closer to the end of the week than it will the beginning of the week. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, my friends. We'd love to have you on board. Like I said, give me a thumbs up. I haven't had 100 thumbs up in a long time. Well, that's because we don't have our audience anymore. But we're back, and I've requested that they do give you guys notifications so you guys know what's going on, my friends. And I'm on them. I'm on them, but I can't move. But I'm a molehill. That's a mountain. You're trying to move when you're trying to move a social media network. You can't do anything there. But gold, like I said, will probably move at the end of the week, gold and silver. So if you have a pullback, my friends, look for a buying opportunity. That's what you do with this gold and silver. And I'm on record, and I'll say it again, for the next couple years, I believe every pullback is going to be met with buying. Every pullback is going to be met with buying. Every 10, 15, 20% pullback, 25% is going to be met with buying. It's going to be met with some ferocious buying. And they're going to bring it right back up, my friends. That's not the case with the overall market. I'm talking gold and silver. So you guys know, Apple, Netflix, Apple, Tesla, they're doing the splits. So, my friends, if we get back to a split economy, and I've been there, a lot of you guys aren't hip to the stock split game. A lot of you guys are too young. I realize that, but when stocks start splitting, I'm in the Jim Cramer camp. Sorry about that, but there's some breaking news. The House approves bill to send. The House approved that bill, so we'll see. The Senate's going to sit on it. You know what's going to happen there. The Senate's going to sit on it, and it is what it is. There's probably nothing going to be done. Probably nothing. But see, gold and silver, I think, are waiting for that right now, and this is timely, man. We're right on time here. Gold and silver are waiting for that, and if there's more stimulus, then they'll be all right. If no stimulus, then we'll see. The Fed chairman on Thursday will let everybody know that Mr. Powell and the Fed is in it to win it in the long run. We'll see. But with that said, also Thursday, I think what do we have? GDP, Jackson Hole. There's a lot on the table next week. A lot on the table. Jobless claims. A lot on the table, my friends. But you know, if Netflix or Google or Facebook or any of those guys, if they kind of slip a little bit, Microsoft, Amazon, they slip a little bit, it's a whole new ball game, my friends. Because all you need is probably one of those to really slip up some kind of way, Netflix or something. Then they're going to bring the whole NASDAQ down. Because right now, my friends, you can make the case that there are 6 stocks that are holding up this technology bull run that we've had forever that never wants to end. So we'll see how that goes, my friends. We'll see. Uranium was down a couple percent or so. We've lost that. We had that 33, then we had that 32 for a while. Well, now we're under 32. So showing a little sign of a little weakness. It's not all that, but there is signs of a little weakness in uranium, my friends. We are early in marijuana today, vanadium and uranium. Tomorrow, companies to get into early, hold, and grow rich. This book is still pertinent, my friends. This mini book also have 10 gold stocks listed there at the back. Early on, you guys jumped on this book early on. I want to thank you all. You guys made it happen. You guys made it happen. And also, my friends, if you donate also to our PayPal, I want to thank you very, very much. We're at a little crossroads here. You guys know that's why I want you to use your library cards to handle the books. Please use your library card and just order it online, my friends. Or if you can't do that, go to Amazon or go to your local bookstore and they'll order it for you. My friends, all of the books. I really want you guys to be on top of this. It's important that you gold and silver investors, silver basic for new investors, Lawrence Stripling, it's important for you guys to be on top of this trade. Also, silver investing in the silver state, Nevada companies ready to shine, my friends, is out there. Like I said, I can't really do anything with that, but I want you guys to be on top of this trade. Please be on top of this trade. That's what we do. We get super early, and we're on top of it. And there's one way that I've consistently beaten Wall Street in my years, dating back to the .coms. That's to get in there early. And I had a mentor, James Dines, the legendary James Dines. And he said, get the Cisco Systems at 10 cents. AOL, get it under $0.25. Get this stock, get that stock. And crazy me, I took advantage and I got some of those early stocks early in the cycle. And you're able to make a killing. Junior silver mining stocks ready to explode early. We're early in the gold silver cycle right now, my friends. Investing in gold today without being cheated. We're early in the cycle. It's an opportunity for us to really, really knock it out of the ballpark. We're making our second round right now with the marijuana stocks, but a lot of those stocks are pertinent. Make money online with cannabis stocks. See, we write about it. So you can't say Mickey D didn't say this. When I was telling you to buy GW Pharma when it was in the 30s and 40s and 50s and stuff, you don't make this stuff up because it's in the book. It's in the book. So there's very little I can and you read the book. You guys have a sound foundation in this marijuana industry. I am certainly really, really glad, that you guys picked up. Now, you guys pass this on to your kids and their kids, and how to start a marijuana investment club, which is pertinent if you want to start a gold club, if you want to start a Bitcoin club. This book will help you, my friends. No matter what you want to do, a silver club, gold club, whatever you want to do, it will help you, and that's what we do. We get the information out to you, and then you make the decision. Once again, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'll have some tea. We'll have the information for you. The baby knockout teas. Yep. You'll be able to get those. Get you a hoodie. We're going to be coming up. It's going to be cold here pretty soon. Get yourself a hoodie. If you want face mask, get yourself some face masks. Do whatever you need to do with that, my friends. And you knock them out. We're going to have I'm still predicting that we're going to have a great holiday season. It's going to be here. It's right on the doorstep, my friends. We're going to have a great holiday season. Just be ready, be prepared, be in position. Yes, we expect some of these utilities and the uraniums to start doing their thing. When they start, you definitely want to be on board. You don't have to be on board now. I'm setting up early. I'm real early. Been early. But I'm going to be on time when it comes to Wall Street. The early bird gets the worm on Wall Street, just like when we got into the marijuana stocks, when Canopy was $2.50, $3 and stuff like that, and then it went up to $60, just like when Innovative Industrial Properties went up, just like when GW Pharma went up, just like when a lot of these companies went up. Charlotte's Web went up. A lot of these companies, they're doing their thing. They're doing their thing right now. Truly doing its thing right now. Coming back down, we lost $5 this past week, from 25 to down to 20, and may go a little bit lower. But that's for another day, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Go out and buy some of those Mickey D books. Get some of that merchandise, my friends, and you're going to be all right in the long run. We're going to be all right in the long run. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. They can take me off the air. They think, just like I ran across that I'm your eyes and ears. You guys know, at the conferences, I ran across that fund manager at the conference. I told you guys about it. We got to talking, and somehow, it's, Mickey D, you got some good stuff out there, but I can't tell my people. I can't tell them that I get my information from a YouTuber. I can't tell them that, dude. I manage millions of dollars. And if I told them I got my information from a YouTuber, they'd automatically drop me. Don't be ashamed. Just get paid. Just get broken off. Don't be ashamed. Just get broken off. We ain't worried about it. If you manage millions of dollars, if you manage an account starting at $500 like I did, it's all good. It's all relative, and it's all good. Don't worry about it. You're going to be on this gold trade, the silver trade. Pullbacks are for winners like us as we regroup and buy some more, my friends. Before the election, we might cut it loose. We'll see. As time goes on, we'll see. Our election trade is right there. We'll be all right. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.